Ending the call. Dialogue 1. Hello, I wish to speak to Linda.
This is Linda speaking.
This is Mary.
Mary, I recognized your voice right away. I'm glad you called me.
Linda, listen, I'm calling to ask you some questions about Jim. You know him, don't you?
Sure. Why are you asking about him?
Well, I want to get a part-time job at his store.
Oh, well, Jim's a nice guy. I mean, he'll give you decent hours, a decent wage, and plenty of breaks.
Well, I suppose so, but...
Oh, somebody's at the door. I'll call you back later. Bye-bye.
Dialogue 2. That's a terrific story. Oh, sorry, Mary. I'd better go now.
Is the boss coming by?
Yeah, and I have to finish this report by 3.
Can we continue after that?
Sorry, I'm afraid I can't talk long. I will have to go to a meeting after 3.
Okay, I'll let you get back to your work.
I'll call you again later, okay?
Okay, let's call it a day and we will continue tomorrow.
Visiting someone in the hospital. Dialogue 1.
Hi, May. I'm coming. I didn't see you at work this morning. Are you all right?
Oh, I've got a bad cold. My head is dizzy and my nose is running.
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that. Have you seen a doctor or taken any medicine?
As a matter of fact, I have. The doctor said it'll go away after a day or 2. He's prescribed me some tablets.
Are you feeling better?
Yes, it helps me, but I just have to wait and let my system do the work.
Do you need anything? Grocery?
Oh no, I'm fine. My refrigerator is piled up with food. But if it's not too much trouble for you, I'd like something to read.
Sure, I'll get it for you. Books or magazines?
I'd like both. Dialogue 2.
Hello, Miss Brown. I hope you're feeling better today.
Oh yes, thank you. I'm feeling much better now. I think the fever's almost gone.
That's good, and you're looking well. By the way, how do you find the hospital here?
Both the doctors and nurses are very nice.
Good to know that. Are you allowed to have some fruit? I've brought you some oranges.
That's very kind of you. Thank you very much.
Is there anything I can do for you?
No, I don't think so, thank you.
All right, I'd better not stay too long. You need more rest. I'll come again tomorrow.
Please don't. I'm much better now. I know you are very busy.
If you need anything, please let me know.
I will. Thank you for coming and for the oranges too.
Don't mention it. Goodbye and take care of yourself.
Bye-bye. Paying a private visit. Dialogue 1.
Hi, Bill. I'm so glad to see you. How are you doing?
Fine. I miss you so much, Uncle Jim.
Me too. We haven't seen each other for years, have we?
Yes, it's been 3 years now.
How time flies. Now you are a young man out of a little boy.
How's Aunt Deborah?
Couldn't be better. How are your parents doing?
Not bad. They plan to visit you next year.
Really? I'll be so excited to see them. Make yourself at home. Let me make some tea for you.
Okay. Thank you, Uncle Jim.
Dialogue 2.
Coming. Hello, I'm Mrs. Chen. This is my husband. We moved into this neighborhood last week.
Nice to meet you, Mr. and Mrs. Chen. Come in, please. Have a seat. Would you like some coffee?
No, thanks. We'll just stay for a minute.
Well, what can I do for you then?
We're having a party this Friday evening at our place, and we'd like you and your family to join us.
Oh, I'd like to, but I'm not sure about my husband's schedule. He always works overtime.
The party will begin at 5:30 p.m., and will probably last for 3 or 4 hours.
Why don't you give me your telephone number? I'll call you tomorrow and let you know.
Please do. This is our phone number. We live just across the street.
Do you need any help preparing for the party, Mrs. Chen? I'm free every afternoon.
That's very nice of you, but won't it be too troublesome for you?
No, no trouble at all. What time is good?
How about 4 p.m.?
I'll be there. Treating someone at home. Dialogue 1. Are you the guest to join the garden party?
Yes, I'm from Los Angeles.
The reception desk is in the best view of Building 2. Let me check your things for you.
Thank you. Does the party begin at 10 o'clock?
Yes, sir. You still have 40 minutes to prepare something else.
The garden here is beautiful and ancient.
Yes, and it is well kept, too.
It really has a charm of its own. A party in the open gives a greater sense of freedom than one held in the room.
I wish you a good time.
Thanks a lot.
Dialogue 2. Everything is ready. Please come to the dining room.
Wow, what a marvelous table you've got here. I've long heard Chinese dishes are well known all over the world for their color, aroma, and taste.
I hope you like my cooking.
I think you are not only a good teacher, but also a good cook.
Thanks for the compliment. Let's begin with chicken, which will bring luck to the guests, according to Chinese table culture.
It sounds interesting. Now that I'll eat more.
Please help yourself to it.
Thanks. I like fried kidney best among Chinese food.
Have a try of it.
Well, really unusual. The fried kidney is quite tender and delicious.
Birthday party. Dialogue 1.
Happy birthday, Alice. Many happy returns of the day. Here's a present for you.
Thank you, Peter. Come into the dining room. I'm going to cut the cake soon. Have some sandwiches.
Thanks. Who's that girl?
That's Joan. She's pretty, isn't she? She likes to dance. Ask her to dance.
Well, I don't know.
Don't be afraid. She isn't going to bite you.
Who's afraid? I'm not at all.
Would you invite her to dance with you?
Just a piece of cake.
Dialogue 2. Look, someone is celebrating his birthday.
Yeah, in America, 21 is the age when you're allowed to drink. So many guys celebrate it in bars. What did you do to celebrate your birthday in China?
Nowadays, it's no different from America. You can see many birthday parties, but in old times, we have traditional ways to celebrate it.
Oh, really? Anything special?
We cook long-lived noodles. And for aged people, we prepare longevity peaches for blessing.
Wow, longevity peaches. What's that?
They are made of wheat flour and they look like real peaches. Baby party. Dialogue 1.
I've been meaning to ask why we have the party before the baby comes.
Because the mother-to-be has more energy before the baby's birth.
When are you due?
By the end of next month. I'll be free then.
Do you have any name picked out?
No, I haven't got any idea.
Are you hoping for a boy or a girl?
I'm expecting a boy.
Well, let's make a toast to the mother-to-be. Hope her dream will come true and have a healthy and bouncing baby.
Dialogue 2. These toys are lovely.
Open this one.
Okay, a stroller.
It's from Wendy. This one will fit for all your babies.
But we're only going to have one child.
You'll change your mind after you have the first one. Look, there are more presents. Let me open these.
Oh, a baby sleep monitor system. I love it, really.
This is from my wife and me. I thought it would be helpful.
I was holding off on buying this until after the shower.
Well, now you can spend that money on something else. This is from Ting Ting.
Oh, she shouldn't have. Meeting new neighbor. Dialogue 1. Nice to meet you. I am Lisa, your new neighbor.
Nice to meet you too. I am David. Where are you from, Lisa?
I am from China.
China is a good place. How do you like America?
I like it very much. It's a good place, too.
Are you used to the life and the weather in America?
Frankly speaking, not yet.
No problem. It's a matter of time.
Oh, how time flies. It's time for me to pick up my little girl. Thanks for your time. See you next time.
See you. If you have any difficulty, please don't hesitate to let me know.
Dialogue 2. Nice to meet you.